Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to win Block Blast with this solver. So stick around to the end to understand how you can use this trick. So we're going to open Block Blast, and then right here we just have a game we'd love to continue, but maybe we need to do more. If we want to maximize our score, we're going to make a screenshot. Now with the screenshot taken, we'll need another app. We're going to go over to the App Store, and here we have Block Puzzle Helper. We're going to search for it and download it, and now we can open it. Right here you have two options, fill manually or select screenshot. We're going to tap on select screenshot, and then we're going to pick the last screenshot which we took. Now with our screenshot, it has provided a solution. You have one option here, you have another option, and so forth. We're going to choose the first option, and from here we can see what we need to do. Take note that this is basically a solution from your screenshot. So you need to know what your screenshot looks like and the difference it makes right here. And now we've seen the difference, we're going to go back to our game, and then we're going to pick this and place it right here. So this idea is gotten from the block solver. When we place it here, we have our point. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.